It's that time of year again when we venture out to harvest the incredible kudzu plant. Join us as we explore the wonders of kudzu and its remarkable benefits at our upcoming workshop. From August 30th to September 3rd, we invite you to embark on a transformative journey that will reshape the way you view the world around you. In a picturesque oil riverbed near our workshop, kudzu thrives abundantly. While often seen as a monster in America due to its rapid growth, kudzu is, in fact, a treasure trove of valuable resources for humanity. Let's discover the fascinating possibilities hidden with its plant. Imagine exquisite threads that keep you cool in the sweltering summer and possess an enchanting artistic charm. Kudzu fibers are transformed into stunning fabrics, enticing anyone who beholds their beauty. But the wonders of kudzu extend far beyond the fabrics. Did you know that the roots of kudzu yield a valuable starch, historically linked to food security in Japanese culture? Our ancestors cultivated kudzu near their homes, foreseeing potential food shortages and ensuring sustenance during challenging times. This tradition highlights their ingenuity and adaptability in the face of adversity. But kudzu's story doesn't end there. Its roots and flowers hold medicinal properties recognized in traditional practices. Dried kudzu roots have been used to alleviate fevers, while dried flowers offer relief from hangover symptoms. These natural remedies have been passed down through generations, embodying the deep-rooted connection between nature, medicine, and art. Speaking of roots, kudzu vines have been woven into sturdy ropes, serving diverse practical purposes. These durable cords were skillfully crafted and trusted for securing items, constructing structures, and even fueling friendly competitions in tug of war. The versatility of kudzu knows no bounds. At our Japanese kudzu public art studio, we draw inspiration from these historical applications, creating the intricate relationship between culture, nature, and creativity. Through our artistic expressions, we pay homage to the brilliance of our ancestors, inviting you to appreciate the multifaceted nature of kudzu. So, mark your calendars for this unique opportunity. From August 30th to September 3rd, immerse yourself in our Kudzu-fu Workshop, where you will explore the captivating world of Kudzu and redefine your perspective on life, living. Join us on this path of self-discovery and personal growth, and witness the remarkable transformation that awaits. Don't miss out on this chance to embrace a new way of life. Together, let's weave a tapestry of tradition and modernity, celebrating the enduring legacy of this extraordinary plant. You can find the details and application form for the Kudzu Workshop at the URL provided in the column below.